The parameters I give are for reference only. The size and length of the wire used can be flexibly changed depending on the size of the bracelet or wire you have. In the video I use 17 gauge, wire diameter 1.1 mm, length equal to 35 cm, 14 inch. Main wire, can use wire with diameter from 0.9 to 1.2 mm, 19 gauge to 16 gauge. Length equal to circumference x2. This wire works to create stiffness for the bracelet. In the video I use 22 gauge, wire diameter 0.6 mm, 2 strands, each 150 cm, 60 inch. You can use a drill or a screwdriver machine to twist it faster and more evenly. You twist the long wire, then cut it into short pieces, making the twists more even. However, if it is difficult to manipulate, you can twist each short piece, but make sure the number of turns is the same. 2 wires twisted in opposite directions, with the same number of twists to create a wheat pattern. Use tape to fix wires, making it easier to manipulate. Cut length equal to circumference. Twisted wire, can use wire with diameter from 0.5 to 0.7 mm, 24 gauge to 21 gauge, 2 strands, each strand length equal to bracelet circumference x2 for 1 wheat pattern. More wires, 2 to 6 wheat pattern. The thicker the bracelet, I made 4 wheat patterns for the bracelet and 2 wheat patterns for the ring. Divided into 3 equal segments. In the video I use 21 gauge, wire diameter 0.7 mm, length equal to 40 cm, 16 inch. Use pliers to squeeze gently, leaving the wire in the right place. Splint wire, can use wire with diameter from 0.6 to 0.8 mm, 22 gauge to 20 gauge, to ensure the wire is always in the right place. Length 40 to 50 cm, 16 to 20. Cut the wire diagonally, so that it does not rub against the skin. untwist to get a nicer wire finish. Use anvil and hammer tap lightly, keeping the wire in place. You can add clasp, 1-hole or 2-hole as you like, to increase the product's durability. If the bracelet you made is missing the length, you can add chain to achieve the desired length. You can apply the same weight to make rings or ear puffs. This bracelet you can use for both men and women. You can combine with other techniques to create your own pattern.